we'd like to take a quick second to show you a demo on our Expivia Digital NFT and Discord moderation platform. Our goal is to be the guardian of your NFT platform, to give you insights that you've never heard of or thought that you could get before. We have listening bots that are housed on Azure, listening for specific keywords that community members may be saying. Not only are we listening for keywords in your server, but can be customizable for each specific channel. We're looking at analytics of your entire Discord to get real insights into community members. A full CRM so that we can start to get notes, tell you who influencers are, who are problem childs in your Discord. Added security members and full reporting as well for all moderators that would be on the platform. Before we show you how the listening bots actually work, we want to talk about the integration that we've done with Discord and with CXone. CXone is the industry leader in customer experience, and it is a platform that allows for all the reporting, CRM, and analytic data to be utilized by moderators and the community members as a whole. But let's start here with a couple of the examples of how the listening bots actually work. Right? For the first example, if a community member says something like, hey, I need a mod or I need a moderator, right? So that will be typed in there into our Discord. We're listening for the word mod or moderator. So that will instantly pop then a mod. So the moderator understands that there's somebody in that Discord that needs some help, right? Anything that is typed into our CXone platform here, we'll head back into, if we have a couple different options for this, but for this, the moderator will say, hey, how can I help, right? That will go back into the Discord and a back and forth can begin with that community member. Let's talk about something maybe that gets a little bit more in depth, right? So if somebody says something negative, like, there's so much FUD going on with this project, right? FUD, for this example, we're using as another keyword that we're looking for, right? So if somebody says that, again, we don't have to have an actual moderator seeing that they do that. These listening bots will prompt the moderator to say, whoa, a keyword was said, right? So now when we respond, we're going to leave this one in the actual general so that all the other community members can respond. So, we'll have our moderator say something like, let's address your issue. Let's talk this through. And again, we can have canned responses as well. But for this one, we're leaving it in the Discord so that everybody in the community can see the back and forth of it. Let's say that the community member says something that's, maybe a little bit more risque, something like, this project sucks, right? And maybe we're using we have the words sucks as one of the words that we're prompting a moderator response to. This one, maybe we want to take private. We know the DMs for most Discord servers are closed. Nobody's really playing in their DMs anymore. So we've found kind of the ability to start a thread in a private thread to make sure that these concerns that maybe we'll have can be taken off the community, the full community, and taken as a one-on-one, kind of offline in a little bit more private setting. And you can see here, sorry to hear that. How can we help? And then we have a private chain that Choosy231028, right, just needs to click on. And then we have now a private chain that happens. One of the other added benefits of using the Expivia Digital NFT platform is full CRM access. So we are able to take community members and start to kind of develop a profile of them. Anything that they say within the Discord, anytime that they need to talk to a moderator, we're keeping access to all of that information. We can create notes, right, for a moderator to start to if this community member's been a kind of a pain, if this community member's been saying things that they shouldn't be, or if this community member's been awesome, right? We can start to develop, again, a little bit of a profile on them. One of the other things that we can do is we can track your influencers. So if we have somebody who's maybe a big holder of your project, we have somebody who has 2 million, TikTok or Instagram followers, right? We can tag that into our CRM, and we can even do some special things when they come into the Discord, making sure that a moderator knows that they're in there. We can also prompt them with, hey, thanks for coming in. How's your day going? Things like that as well. So I think the CRM access is something that's been greatly needed in the community moderation era. And it's something that I think will totally revolutionize what we're trying to do with your community so that you can really start to see who the members are, who the good guys are, and who the ones that we got to keep an eye on. The Expivia Digital platform also offers full analytics into your Discord. We can look at things like sentiment scores for all of your community members. And this is looking at all the words, right, and the phrases that are being said. It takes tone and it looks at, are things positive, are things negative? So we can get an overall view of sentiment of your actual Discord. The other thing that we can show is trending keywords. What is being said in your Discord? What are people happy about? What are people not happy about, right? Not only can we look at what are the trending keywords, but are they positive or are they negative? So not only can you see the health of your Discord through sentiment scores, but you can also start to look at what are some of the issues that the community has and what are some of the things that the community is really, really happy about. So this gives insights into NFT projects that have never been able to be seen before. One of the other reporting aspects that we have taken from the customer experience realm and brought it to the NFT realm is looking at historical and real-time reports when it comes to the actual moderation. So here we have a analytic report that shows the history, right, over a specific period of time of how many times your community members have asked to talk to one of our moderators. Right? We can look at specific days of the week, right? Are there more questions on a Monday than on a Sunday, right? We can look at specific times as well. When are most of the questions asked? Do we need 2 or 3 moderators during those specific periods of time? We can also look at the response rates of our moderators as well. All of these reports are given to you. You can look at them and view them in real time as well. One of the other aspects in the other reports is our real-time report. So if you're looking for an outsourced partner, you want to know that they're doing their job. One of the reports that we have is our real-time report. You'll actually see the names of the moderator. You'll see how many cases or how many times that they've been working with the community member. Are there any tickets or are there any times that a moderator is being asked for that is kind of in queue? All of that is right at your fingertips, so we can make sure that we are answering all of your community members, in a very timely manner. All of this reporting is done, again, from a real-time and a historical way that you can make sure that you feel comfortable with the outsourced moderation services. We all know one of the things that we are most nervous about is the security around NFT projects. We have thought this through and done a couple different things to make sure that your NFT project or your Discord server is a little bit more secure. One of them we're calling multi-authentication for any type of URLs that go into your Discord. So anytime a admin sends a URL, right, we can either make sure that an admin views that, has to give approval for it, can change that URL if there's any issues with it. So the times of maybe spoofing a URL, or any type of phishing schemes, we're trying to take that out of consideration with making sure that, again, we have some security behind any type of URLs that are sent into Discord from our CXone. We're very proud of all the work that has been done here. Our goal is to become the gold star for all community moderation for NFT projects in the future. Not only have we developed this entire platform around Discord, but we are fully agnostic, right, to any other platform that your community members may be on as well. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram. We've developed this to be a fully holistic approach to all of your community needs. We hope that this kind of excites you as it excites us. If there's any interest from any of you, if anyone would like to see a full demo, please go to our website, expiviadigital.com. Check us out, and we'd love to hear from you.